Hello everybody, this is Tanisha Kharbanda, an interior designer and stylist by profession, and welcome to my series Relove Your Space Under a Budget. And you can check out everything that I'm doing as a part of this series on my Instagram account, and my Instagram handle is @love. So maybe do give me a like, a follow, a comment, and make my day, because I might be making your day when you will be looking at the series. So yeah. So this is episode 2, part 2 of the Relove Your Space Under a Budget series, and I like to call this project as my colorful abode. So you can check out the previous part for overall detailed view of what this thing is, this apartment is, and yeah, let's continue. This is the master bedroom, and this is the biggest biggest room in this home. So from here we enter, there's this bathroom, and let me just explain you what the main brief for this room was. So my client actually loves the color yellow, so I thought it can be overbearing for some people who do not really use it in their interior spaces to just see it on the wall. So that's why I tried to add yellow and hints of furnishings. I wanted to keep this space a very relaxing space, somewhere where the person can just come and not think about the world. Like, this is their escape room in that sense. And that's why it's inspired. It has all these organic textures. This is cane, and again on the side table we have cane, so that it adds that amazing rough texture into this whole room. And so if I talk about this wall, so the story behind this wall is actually since this is normal decent sized room, so to enlarge in this area, we thought of creating stripes. We thought of creating stripes, because horizontal stripes broaden the space and they make this space look much more bigger. And I've chosen green color with it to actually add that amazing earthy feeling into this home, with that amazing pop of color. Not actually pop, it's a very bold color to go for. But yeah, and that's why the ceiling is all green, because to be honest, I completely love colored ceilings, and it looks perfectly amazing in this one. So if you see the before of this wardrobe, so it was very weird and very ajeeb sa pattern and texture on this, and which was very loud and very on the face. So the main thing for this room was to first of all change the wardrobe color, because it was very weird, just weird. Can't explain. You will see the before picture and you will I'll attach somewhere here. So yeah, so that's why we went for this amazing sage greenish color. And all the things, I must tell you that I helped my client in sourcing all these things. So for example, these curtains we got from Lajpat Nagar. Then this cane actually we ordered off on Amazon, because we couldn't really find here in Ghaziabad, and the ones we could find were very expensive, as compared to even online. So yeah, that's that. And this yellow bed sheet again from Lajpat. Curtain, so this carpet, and these lights, these are also our DIYs and everything. These are also from Banjara. So it was just a something lantern sort of, we made it into a pendant light. And even if you see this ledge, this all DIY. So if you see this door, this is in white color, because when you paint the doors white, it just makes the room more big. And if you see the outside door from where we entered, so it's a little beigeish color, because that's it's a very lovely camel brown color, and it goes perfectly well with the outside interior of what's there. So this was a very dark brown bed, and even the back was very heavy dark brown thing, but we changed it to white, and we got that cane thing. And yeah, that's that. And this is the master bedroom. So yeah, that's that for master bedroom. As I already told you earlier, that my client is a theatre artist, but he also runs his own YouTube channel, so you can go check that out. I'll link that in the description. You can check it out, it's amazing. So yeah, so this area was created for that, so that he can create his videos and work here whenever he wants to. So now the theme for this was all blue, because we wanted that sea-like effect, calm effect when while he's working. So now if you see, this is again sort of a gallery wall, in sort of a gallery wall, but this is, you know, all his achievements and his photo and everything, and you know, again, to bind the whole look, you know, to organic and everything. So that's why we have these cane, and they look amazingly beautiful in the studio. And there's also this carpeted flooring, you know, because otherwise, you know, you cannot really add carpeted flooring in the whole area, because we still live in India and it's very dusty. But studio is something that you can, you know, still experiment and add carpeted flooring. This was his old sort of bookshelf. I think it was in the bedroom, and we placed it here, and you know, painted a little light blue color, then you know, light bluish than the wall, so that you know, it also adds a nice highlight. Table, if I talk about this table, it was actually junk. Like, we got it from a market in Crossings Republic. We refurbished it and brought it back to life, and it looks pretty amazing. It's from Shisham wood, and we purchased it for way less, like very, very cheap. So you know, you can go these Crossing Republic market, and yeah, that's pretty much for the studio. That's the end of the series. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.